This is a Miele Electronic S224 vacuum cleaner. Just got it from eBay. As non-working, got it for free. And it wasn't working. The engine brushes were most likely not there anymore. So I just replaced them with my motor engine brushes of my Miele S233, and it works perfectly fine. The suppressor was exploded, so I just passed that by, and yeah, now it's working again, and I will just show it to you. Logic und ich hatte nie was gedacht vorher, dass das ist, was ja mein Job wird. Mittlerweile tourt er um die Welt, feiert selbst in Australien Erfolge und steht wieder gerne zurück nach Hause. Vielleicht klingt es jetzt so ein bisschen so, als wenn ich jetzt voll alt geworden wäre. Aber damals ging hier noch auf jeden Fall ein bisschen was. Die Gedanken, so ein paar Clubs waren. And there we go. This is original that and that. By the way, there's the other engine of that Miele S233 where I took out the engine brushes, but I ordered new ones so they will go into there.
Yeah, that was the Miele S224 vacuum cleaner. There we go. Little look inside. Gets a bit hot for sure, that's normal. I don't know if this is working, but I guess we will be able to find out. Let me just... We check that out. Nope, it doesn't work. But I guess that's not too bad because you don't really need that. It's just to show that your bag is full, but you can check that yourself, so you don't really need it. So I don't need it. The back indicator is also not working on that Miele. There's the top cover. And it's also not working, so but I don't really care. I mean, it would be cool if it works, but apparently it doesn't, so it's not too bad. I'm very happy with that. It came up pretty well. This, by the way, is the first version of that Miele S224. The later ones had black floor tool, black handle, and black connector, and a black thing, and I think, and a chrome one. That's the silver one. That's the very first version of that vacuum cleaner. Yeah, that's it, and goodbye.